everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Roger here once again, and today I'm going to be cooking a really delicious roast pork joint with crackling on the top. It's drizzled with honey and mustard, so succulent and easy to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the button just down in the corner, hit the bell for future videos, and without further ado, let's crack on. So we're going to need plenty of whole grain mustard. When I say plenty, you can use 1 or 2 teaspoonfuls, and some clear honey, nice runny honey, hefty amount of that on the top, and then we're going to mix these together with a pinch of pepper, of course. A little bit of pepper in everything does you the world of good. So we give this a good mix, get all these incorporated. You can see how sticky it is. Now this is going to stick to the pork, to the crackling, to the fatty part over the top, but we're going to add a bit more sweetness, a little bit of brown sugar. Well, it's not just sweetness, it's flavoursome too. So we mix that in, mix yet again, get these all incorporated, and then we can make a start with the pork. There it is, a lovely piece of fresh pork, beautiful. But we want our paste to penetrate the skin. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut some little slices through the fat, not right through the fat, but just to break the surface. So for this we're going to need a really sharp knife. You can use a Stanley blade if you want, that's quite easy too, but I'm lucky enough to have a really sharp knife. And with that sharp knife I'm going to do some crisscross slices across the pork, making sure that we at least break the surface of the skin, and then our flavours can go right the way through. So when that's done, we're going to give it a little turn around, just finish off those side bits. There we go, nicely done. Oh, don't forget that bit, a little bit of a slice there I think. That's it, lovely jubbly, and there it is. Now to baste it over with our mix, with our rub if you like. Now you can work this into the slices all the way over, give it a double coating if possible. You've got those lovely flavours there, all that beautiful sweetness, and that cracked black pepper that's in the sauce too. Don't forget to do the front and the back. Get it done all the way over, and then we can put it in our roasting pan. There's the pan, just a perfect size. In it goes. We're going to give it one final little coating of our rub, then it's off to the oven to roast until it's cooked right through. A quick burst of high heat and then turn it down a bit. Part way through I like to remove it, add some honey to make a better glaze, baste this all over, getting it all over the crackling and into all the little crevices that we've sliced, and then it can go back to the oven to finish off, and then you end up with this. Now that looks pretty good to me, guys. Now we're going to have this over Christmas, so I'll slice all of this up, put it on a serving plate, and people could just help themselves. Oh wow, now that is so delicious. Moist on the outside, flavoursome, honey, mustard and pork. You don't get much better than that, do you? Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like. See you again next time. Bye.